Okay, good morning, everyone. Hope you all are healthy and happy at home. So there was a news that we wanted to break to you all. Most of you already know this. We have our new principal with us, and since we couldn't have an offline session or physical, meeting, we thought this is a good platform to at least have an introduction session with all of you. So we have with us Ramanjot ma'am. Ma'am, if you could please uh, take
Hi,
over from here.
hi all dear friends. Although I am not able to see you, but yes, I'm very happy to know that there are so many participants out here. Thank you so much. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Ramanjot Srivastav, and I have been assigned as the principal of SAL School of Architecture. If I talk about a brief introduction about myself, I am from city beautiful Chandigarh, and the whole experience is of around 22 years plus now, and I am right now in academics for the last 12 years. Recently, I have come from Dehradun, where I was Dean in School of Architecture, Himgiri University. And now I'm thankful to the management that they have selected me as your principal, as the leader. So thank you for everyone and faculties as well. Okay. If I talk about my academia, it is, I have done my master's in landscape from MTU and going to be doctorate in architecture. This is a small introduction I wanted to give you, but yes, there are so many talks I want to talk to you. Though I am not here in person, I wanted you all to be in person here, but because of this corona, we are taking this live thing here so that I may know you and you people may know me. At least you can have a look at me and you can know about me a little bit what I can share with you. Uh, Firstly, I would like to congratulate you for the work you people have been doing for the past years. I have taken a look at all the RSPs you people have done, the workshops you had done, and the seminars, and all the architectural works I've seen, the sheets I've seen. This is commendable. And I congratulate you all, not only you, but all the faculties that have been, always be there with you. This day, dear all, this day is just not possible if I say only your hard work is paying here. No, it is the faculties who are there. It is the bond between both of you that is taking SAL to such a position. And I really want that same bond, same bond we can share with the teachers, myself, and you people, right? No student, no faculty, or no leader can do anything individually. It is the teamwork that all have to take care of to take it to grow
Uh,
the institute. Right?
Ma'am, there's some problem with the voice, it seems. Some of the
No,
students
it's
have.
on YouTube. It's not audible. Maybe Ajay bhai can sort it out at his
Yeah,
end.
Okay.
we have Ajay Bhai here with us.
Yeah,
I'll
Yeah.
call him.
yeah, yes, sir. I'll take a little break. Let me see what's the problem out here.
Okay, ma'am.
Is
So
it
it
okay?
seems the problem is solved.
This is all
Okay,
right.
can everyone hear ma'am now? Please message me if the ones
Or
who are
just
at YouTube.
uh, take your thumb up. We can at least have a look that yes, you people are hearing me. It is audible. No problem in that. Yeah, fine,
Yeah.
fine. Okay. So what I was talking was that yes, this is teamwork that we are doing here. Let me, I was having something in mind. Let me share with you a small story. The story says that there were students and a mentor. Students always used to think that yes, we are quite intelligent and we are making this institute successful. But the faculty was wise enough, was diligent, and moreover, he was strict. The basic problem with the students was that they were not taking it in a positive manner. Now, what they thought that let's go for something, try to test the faculty, try to test the teacher. If he says that he's so wise, then why don't we test him? So what they did, they planned that we will take a small little bird in our hand and we are going to keep it like this and take it in front of the leader and ask him whether it is dead or alive. If he says, says that yes, it is live, what we'll do, we'll just squeeze it, we'll kill that bird and we'll show that yes, it is not live, it is dead. So we are going to prove him wrong. In the other way, if he says that yes, it is dead, then what we are going to do, we are going to open the palm and it will fly. And again, the same manner, we are going to prove him wrong. So they did whatever they planned. They went to the faculty. They said, yes, now tell me whether it is dead or whether it is live. You know what the leader said? Leader said, whether it is dead or live, it is in your hands. Getting my point? So the thing is, whatever you people are doing here, keep it in mind. It is in your hands. How much you are going to grab from the teacher, from the leader, right? Number second, no teacher in architecture can teach architecture. It is impossible to teach architecture. It is the guidance that we people are giving you. It is the mentorship that we people are going to give you. You are going to take the best out of it and make it possible, make your future possible. I think what I had in mind, I have told you. And yes, due to this corona, there are so many things that are, we are limited to doing something new. But yes, we are still trying our level best that we want to go something differently in corona. And what I have planned, I wanted to tell you, want to share with you for the first and the second years. Now, because as I've come to know from your faculties that yes, nothing has been gone for the second year as well, because and the first year as well. So we are trying to do something for first and second year first. No orientation has taken place for the first year. No workshop has been taken for the first year. So what I am planning for, when almost all the vivas will be over, then we are going to design a small workshop, small orientation program for the first year, in which second year will also be included, in which we are going to go for the workshops online, virtual hands-on, and then something innovatively we have thought, and I think so you people will be liking it, right? This is the best thing we can do. We means myself and the faculties who are assigned with that, right? And you have to make it possible, number one. Secondly, our SAL is best known for the RSPs you people have done. This is your hard work that RSPs are to some level. So what I'm thinking, because for the last 2 years, RSPs have not been done. So we are trying to start with the inter colleges, this RSP program, in which what we are going to do, we are uh, trying to take other students of different colleges along with you, make a group, and then that state architecture will be shared some buildings that you people choose will be shared with you in terms of videos, in terms of the photographs, and maybe whatever the introduction those people have. Similarly, you people are going to share your Ahmedabad's architecture, whichever building they will choose, and you are going to send them. Then you people are going to document it at your own place. The moment the corona is over, you are going live to that place and that archiving it. This is what we could do staying at our place. And I'm very happy to tell you that there are 3 or 4 colleges that have come up after knowing this program of mine. So this will be, I think so, that will be useful for the first and second years. At least something is being done. That's the major thing. It is not like if there is a break between the RSPs, कि 2 साल से RSPs नहीं हुए. I don't want that thing to happen. I want that strength should again go to some levels, right? Number 1. Then for the 3rd, 4th, and 5th year. 5th year is already going for this this thesis, and 3rd and 4th year, there are 2 years more. For that, we are planning to go for a live workshop. Different workshops will be taken care of. Like we are planning for a landscape workshop right now, where there are modules, and that is taken by Akshay Kaul. He's a landscape architect from Delhi, and he's a very renowned person. He has worked at different places out of India and many out here also. So we are going to go for a 3 or 4 days, I think so, that workshop is there for the senior years. For all the years, we are going to start with the lecture series. 27th is the first lecture, which will be taken by architect S.D. Sharma's son, architect Sangeet Sharma from Chandigarh. He is going to take the lecture on sustainability. This is just a start on 27th. That will be again YouTube live, as well as it will be on Zoom, right? And similar way, we are going to take more lecture series that can at least give you the knowledge that is going behind, and also you will be given the chance to go for different more things, like different workshops, online seminars, and many more, and many competitions that are taking place. We are going to send the link with you. You can share that knowledge will again be increased. Sorry. So this is the whole thing that I have in mind for the for this academic year, not academic year, this semester rather. And afterwards, this semester will be again redesigned, right? So anything you people have in mind, you want to go for something, you want to have some different and more workshops which is in your mind, that we can go for it, you just give me the questions if you want for in chats, or you can ask me in person. So better the court is in you, the ball is in your court now, and you please tell me if you want to ask me something, anything about anything, what are my plans and what I am having in mind. You can share the feelings with me. Anybody, please. Nobody wants to ask anything. That's great. That's great. Shall we end the program then? But lastly, I would like to say only one thing. Don't ever think that you people are going to, you have to do something unique. No, you have to do all the things in a unique manner. Don't go for the unique things to do, but do each and everything in a unique manner, right? Anybody else wants to say anything? I'm waiting for that, dear. You are free.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Who's this?
So, ma'am, we were hoping Yash Raj.
Yash Raj. From which year?
Third
Okay.
year.
Third year.
Yeah, Yashraj, tell me.
So when we were for a workshop to be held offline instead of online. Well, we want a hands-on experience.
I know, I can understand, Yashraj, but the thing is, you are from Ahmedabad only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, Yashraj, the condition is very clear to you. What is happening? Again, the rates in Ahmedabad is increasing. Even we people want you people to be here, do hands-on workshop. Whatever we can do, we will be trying our level best. Because the thing is, it is not in our hands right now. We are already planning that, yes, we can go for the offline workshops, but why not do something in an innovative manner? जो हमारे पास है, let's try to do something with that. ठीक है? Offline, I assure you this thing, once this is over, जो तुम्हारा पीछे का जितना lot gap रह गया है, I will take care of it. Then उसके बाद you yourself are going to come to me and say, ma'am, please don't go for the offline workshops. It's quite long. Okay. So I'll take care of it. But yes, instead of sitting at our home doing nothing, instead of that, we should go for something innovative, right? So जो है हमारे पास, we'll try to make it possible, dear. The moment it is open, everything will be there. Don't worry. You are in third year. You are just in mid. You have 1 year. सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Thanks,
Ma'am,
Yasha.
I want to ask something. I'm Maharishi Dabi from 4th year.
Yeah. Tell me. Pardon, what's your name?
Maharishi Dabi.
Maharshi.
Yes.
Yeah, Maharshi.
Ma'am, like you already mentioned that we have a workshop for 3rd and 4th year, but I want to ask that can we add that workshop of softwares, because
Yes.
software plays an important role.
Yes, we
So
are.
like softwares like Beam software and Rhino Grasshopper.
Yes. I forgot to tell you, we have already been planning the Rhino, then Grasshopper, and one more was there, Revit was there. And whatever you are saying, yeah, that already the teachers have told me that you people want that. We are trying our level best. We will be conducting it within this academic semester. That is for sure. We are taking care of it. Don't worry. Is anybody else?
Good morning, ma'am. I am Abhigna from 10th semester.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we have a doubt regarding completion of this semester. So according to GTU, end of April consider as end of semester. So are we get some extra time for our thesis, or should we consider present GTU's timeline?
You are in, firstly, please apna video on career so that I can see you at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Bhina. Now tell me, you are in which semester?
10th semester, ma'am.
10th semester. Okay.
Thesis.
What are you saying? That you want that there is extra time for this? What? Yeah, I think
Yes.
so. We have already dropped the mail to GTU regarding the same, because teachers have already told that because of some gaps, ये जो भी हुआ है तुम्हारा 1st December में और January में. So we have already gone for the mail and we are looking for the revert back mail from them. But I think so we are also pressurizing it that yes, it has to be extended, because only right now it is one आपका एक ही stage हुआ है. From tomorrow onwards the second stage is going on. So it is going to take time. So yes, we will be doing. But anyways, I tell you one thing, the background of your, it is very nice. I liked it. The way that all collage has been done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. This is your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Second semester work.
Very nice. Very nicely done and very nicely formatted. Very nice. Good work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? I wanted to, I came to know from all the teachers that yes, you people want to reach to me. So I thought ki this is the best way we can go for. And please, you all people are invited on 27th. You all have to be there. It will be 2-hour session, which I've already mentioned you what it is and what it is going to what it is going to give you the knowledge about. And I would love that you people go for an interactive session after he completes, because this is the way we can go for. And he is known for all these workshops. workshops like seminars and all. So this is the best platform you can come to know, because now the thing was, to be very frank, when I saw all the the guest lectures or the people who are coming here for the thesis guide, and they are all from Ahmedabad, majorly from Ahmedabad. I'm not saying all, but majorly from Ahmedabad. So I wanted the different states should also know. आपको भी उनके बारे में पता लगेगा, and you people also try to understand the architecture behind that areas. There is lots and lots of differences between the thinking process as well. So best way हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठकर without being disturbing anybody, we are going to take everyone from different states. Next series I am thinking कि हम लोग architects from different states लाएंगे, so that they can even interact with you in a more interactive manner, so that you people can learn to the best. Yeah, anybody else?
Yes. Hello, ma'am. Lawrence here. I am in my final year.
Yeah, I met
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Lawrence.
Yes, we met actually. Yeah. So from the meeting now, we all know that the Corona time and the quarantine time, everything is going on. So I think, yes, we don't have an option to continue the offline classes.
Very right.
So, okay, the only option we have is online interaction. So we would like, and we all of us are very excited for this semester, as you are introducing such interesting activities. So we all of us would like to welcome you on the behalf of all the students.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I would love if everybody should have been, in front of me in the courtyard, and we would have met each other and sang some songs and all. I sing also a little bit, but I sing also. So it would have been a very nice interactive manner that ways. So मैंने एक photograph देखी थी, Sejal shared with me, and I don't know who was playing the guitar and everybody was singing along with that in some workshop. So we thought कि that can be done. हम लोग ऐसा कुछ करेंगे definitely, and yes, we are shooting for NASA also. NASA से वालों से भी बात हो रही है, because you are not there in NASA. So let's go for that. तो भी start कर रही हूँ. So there are many things that are in my mind. Pipeline में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. And again I am saying we all have to make it possible with the teamwork. So you people please be there. I am new to Ahmedabad. I don't know Gujarati. तो आप लोगों को you have to एक तो मुझे भी थोड़ा सा सिखाना, and I'll teach you Punjabi, right? So that will be sure. Anyways, but that is a limitation with me. I don't understand Gujarati, so better if you can interact with me in English or Hindi. That will be really nice. और थोड़ा बहुत बीच में बोलोगे तो मैं समझ जाऊंगी धीरे धीरे. It will take some time. Thank you so much for welcoming me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, and I had a small suggestion.
Yeah.
Like, as we all know, in architecture course, there is a relationship between the juniors and the seniors also.
Yes.
So, and juniors learn a lot from seniors.
Right.
So maybe make some, we can conduct such sessions where juniors can discuss their designs with seniors also, and maybe they can be open for discussion, anything like that.
Yeah, that's what. Your name is Thomas, na? क्या नाम था? I'm so sorry. Lawrence. Sorry. Yeah. Lawrence. This thing I had in mind. So what we are doing for RSPs, we are taking the seniors as the mentors, because first and second year has not worked anything on RSPs. So they will not be knowing what they are going to do. So third year, fourth year and fifth year, they are going to be mentors, but yes, they will be taking care of these persons. That is the best platform where you people are going to take them. Okay, otherwise what happens if seniors are taking care of, तो वो ही बनाते हैं. The juniors are only for the drafting. I don't want that thing. Let them take the thing. Let them take it around, but you are there. You are going to be there along with them, guiding them. क्या चीज चाहिए, कैसे बनाना है, how to draft. These things are, you people are going to do. So this will be an interactive. Yes, something else also, if comes up to your mind, you let me know. I'll try to make it more possible. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lawrence. Anybody else?
Guys, we have specially suggested your names so that you can interact with ma'am and not just look at ma'am, don't do that. You're trying to
I'm also feeling
तो हमारे पे question आ जाएगा कि कैसे बच्चों को select किया है. So yeah, please go ahead. You may ask whatever you want. You may share your anxieties or whatever it is. Please do that.
Yeah.
Ma'am, good morning. I'm Piyush from second year.
Okay. Hi, Piyush.
Ma'am, can you tell a bit about yourself, like your experience throughout this 22 years of practicing
Yes,
architecture?
definitely. That's so nice. Now I'll have a nostalgic feeling. I did my B.Arch in 99 from Punjab, from Amritsar. And then I did masters in architecture after my babies, 2 babies, right? And I thank my family for that, yes, that got possible for me. Because या तो आपकी तरह हो, we are so ambitious that yes, after B.Arch we do the masters and then the doctorate, whatever is in mind. Nothing was in my mind. I was just कि ठीक है, B.Arch is done, that's it, I don't want to go ahead. So that was my feeling. But you won't imagine, I think so, even for only during my maternity I left the job. Otherwise, from that day, since today, I am studying and into the job. Okay, 11 years of my was totally into, I did work in Delhi, many places. I worked in Satnam, Namita, Chandigarh. There I worked. Then after that, after 11 years, I had gone for the industrial experience. I had gone for the interiors experience. I did my own buildings, many buildings in hilly areas. I've designed schools for Kendriya Vidyalaya and guest houses for Kendriya Vidyalaya. When I had something in, I was a proprietor of one of the firms. So that was it. But afterwards, I thought of changing myself into the academia just because of my kids, because I was not able to take both the things side by side along with my family and this life, my practical experience in the sense of industrial experience. So I changed myself to academia. Now 11 years back, I started from Delhi, and then 5 years I worked in Sundardeep College of Architecture as assistant, and then I was shifted to Dehradun, where I was in DIT for 2 years, and then Himgiri Z University, and then Graphic Era. For 3 universities I worked for. After that, in that tenure, I learned a lot because I was taking many responsibilities. I started with a coordinator of NASA. I started with that. So at that time, I could realize that, yes, I can coordinate, because otherwise I was thinking I'm only in teaching. But yes, then I explored myself that, yes, I can coordinate, I can be a coordinator. And then I put myself wholly into the coordination of different activities, small activities I started doing with the workshops, with the seminars and all. And then I came to know that, yes, I should study. Then I started with my doctorate, and almost it is finished. It is only the last Viva is left, which will be, I think so, taken care in 1 or 2 months, because I've shifted from there. I have done the doctorate under IIT Roorkee thesis guides. So that is not an landscape, but that is again an urban planning, conservation, and everything, that is also a combination of PhD में बहुत कुछ combine किया है, and I've tried to explore a lot into that. So this is the whole thing, and now I'm here. My husband is transferred here, Ahmedabad, and this is a very hot place. मैं कहाँ से आई हूँ? देहरादून. That is an air conditioned city जहाँ पे कभी गर्मी होती नहीं है, and here मुझे लगता है ठंड नहीं होती है. So this is totally opposite thing. But very honestly, I should tell you, I have worked only in northern zone. I have not worked here, but the level difference I have seen in Ahmedabad, only in your college, I can see the difference. आई वॉज इन CCA, मैंने CCA का काम देखा है, मास्टर्स मैंने SP के गाइड्स के अंडर की है, आई हैव सीन दैट वर्क आल्सो, बट यस यू पीपल वर्क, मतलब इट इज कमेंडेबल, इट इज वेरी नाइस, एंड आई वांट दैट यू पीपल बी मेंटर्स फॉर द नॉर्दर्न स्टूडेंट्स, और उनसे कुछ और सीखने को मिले, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट मस्ट दैट जो आपको आता है दैट नॉर्दर्न इंडिया पीपल नोज और डिफरेंट स्टेट नोज, एंड जो उनको आता है वो आपको आता हो, तो इट्स अ वाइस वर्सा थिंग, इंटरचेंजेबल थिंग्स हैं, तो वी आर ऑलवेज देयर टू लर्न. सो अगर तुम ये सोचते हो आफ्टर BEd इट इज ओवर, नो, फॉर द 22 years आई एम studying, that's it, और कुछ नहीं हुआ है लाइफ में, but I'm very fortunate that I am with you people right now, and I'm going to learn a lot from you. जितना मैं अपनी तरफ से दे सकती हूँ, I'll do the best, and whatever you people can give me the, क्योंकि आजकल की जो जनरेशन है that is different type of thing, you know, मैं ऐसी जनरेशन का कभी सोच नहीं सकती थी. Within Corona we have been so good on online, कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसे Zoom होता है, ये होता है, फलाना होता है, ठिकाना होता है, but you know now we are so good at it. So high tech people we have been there, so with you people I think so, high tech be, creative be, innovative be, we can do anything, right? एंड मुझे यही है कि यस, साल का नाम, वट एवर द लीडर्स, पुराने जो आपके जो पास्ट लीडर्स हैं, दे हैव टेकन यू टू सम लेवल, राइट? एंड आई रियली वांट दैट आई डू माय बेस्ट टू टेक इट forward, and whatever I can do, whatever I can incorporate in them, I'll try to do them. That was a small, you know, अब सारी मुझे याद पुरानी करा दी है तुम लोगों ने, but yes, इस सारी चीज में whatever I am very thankful to God who has given me such opportunities. I say God तो नहीं बोलती हूँ, yes I take at my group. I'm very you know, God loving person, very God loving person, and my family is the priority for me for every time. तो मेरी family का मेरे लिए बहुत role है. I have 2 kids. One is daughter who is in 9th. Her name is Spandan, very beautiful and very creative and very intelligent girl she is. And my son, he is Srijan Srivastav, and he is again innovative. He is going to be an architect, that's for pakka. Uska pura innovative mind hai uska. So he is, we have a small family. My husband is there. He is in central government. So he's there. It is an intercaste marriage. That's all I have to share with. And my father stays with me. So I am always dealing with, you know, different culture challenges at my home. I am a Sikh, he is Hindu, एक तो वही हमारा रहता है, और अब यहाँ आके गुजरात एक और नया कल्चर आ गया है, तो the moment I am out, I am, you know, always challenges are always there with me. मुझे उनके साथ हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ता है, but I am very happy that I am learning, and I want to learn for the last day of my life. I want to work like this only. And अगर आप लोगों का साथ रहा तो I am definitely going to do that. That's it, dear. I think so. I've been too long to explain myself. No, बोर तो नहीं हो गए हो?
No, ma'am, not at all.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
And
much.
all the best for your Viva.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, dear. Thank you. Anybody else, dear, want to ask anything?
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. I'm Paresh Patel from third year, and I want to ask you, like this is the 21st century and it's totally a digital time. So we would also like to use the 3D printers and all. So can you please conduct the workshop on 3D printer or something like this, or parametric?
Okay. 3D printer and parametric. I'll keep it in mind, dear. What was your name, dear?
Yeah, Paresh Patel.
Paresh Patel. You are in which semester?
Yeah.
Which semester?
Yeah, I'm in sixth.
Sixth semester.
Sixth semester.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take care of this, dear, because I am not so good into all this, what you are saying. I have to see to that, what is it all. Yeah, but yes, we are going to go for, because the thing is, मेरे साथ जो अभी जो problem what I'm facing is, Paresh, that here workshops and whatever you are saying, we should look for, if it on offline mode, we should look for the people who are from here. Try करते हैं कि भी it is more comfortable for them also. But now, because whatever things you are giving, we can hire anybody from India and even abroad for that. So I'll definitely go into this. I've written it. I'll take care of it, and I think so you will get it soon. Get it soon, right? Yeah.
Thank you.
And anybody else also wants something different, you please let me know, because I'm trying to know you people. What are your needs at this time? ठीक है, तो वो please try to come up better. This is the best way.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Vidit Shah from first semester.
Right.
Yeah, ma'am. So our classes are all online and all. So, ma'am, we haven't had a chance to interact with seniors. None of them in. So we are just into the college like 6-7 months. So, sir, ma'am, any plans for interaction online, offline?
Yes.
Or some workshop?
We are planning, as I told you, we are planning the orientation for you people. That orientation means that you can know your seniors, and we are going to do it in a very innovative manner. All the seniors will be involved. They are going to plan a good welcome or virtual party for you. Don't worry, you will be able to know all the students, right?
Okay,
we have taken care of. Orientation का मतलब ही ये है कि yes, you are going to know architecture and your seniors दोनों का. So we have planned it, and the way you have said, yes, we will plan it now in a more innovative manner. कि आपको seniors at least जितने virtually you can see, that can be done. ठीक है?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll take it. Yeah. Yes, dear.
Hello, ma'am. I am Shaishav from 4th semester.
Shaishav. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this may sound a bit childish, but since you are from Chandigarh, can we expect an RSP to Chandigarh anytime soon?
Sure. Definitely, I'm telling you, there are 4 colleges that have come up. One is from Chandigarh only. चितकारा स्कूल, इफ यू नो, सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा स्कूल है वहां पर, CCA है वहां पर. तो आई एम हैविंग अ डायलॉग विद ऑल द स्कूल्स देयर बिकॉज दे आर नोन टू मी, दे आर सीनियर्स इन एनी वेज, सो दैट वोंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम. तो लेट मी टेल यू द स्कूल्स दैट हैव कम अप फ्रॉम, वन इज फ्रॉम कोल्हापुर, one is from Kerala, and 2 are from Chandigarh. तो 4 schools I have already taken care of. I'm looking for कि कुछ और आ जाते हैं, तो let's go for it, because amount of number of students out here are quite a long, and we want that only 15 students should be there in one project. So definitely we have to go for more colleges. So we are trying, but presently we have 4 colleges. And don't worry, that is being taken care of. चंडीगढ़ तो सबसे पहले लेके आऊंगी. पहला जो मैं I'm guest lecture I'm taking, that is from Chandigarh. So don't worry, चंडीगढ़ तो तुम्हें मैं इतना घुमा दूंगी कि you won't feel like going there. You'll say we have seen Chandigarh from here. Don't worry. That
Dehradun, Keshav.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Dehradun is also a really good option.
Dehradun is beautiful. The hill architecture is beautiful there. So Dehradun maybe, actually I have talked to the director there, DIT director there, but she is actually moving. So we are waiting for the new director to come who can get along with us. But yes, DIT is a very good college. The work is very good, and they are very good participants in NASA. उनका नासा में उनका बहुत एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल है, तो दैट कैन बी वेरी गुड फॉर यू पीपल टू लर्न कि नासा में कैसे काम करना है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई नासा इतना पीछे है हमारे, बट अदरवाइज योर वर्क शोज दैट इट शुड बी देयर इन नासा. तो नासा को हम लोग करेंगे, और इसको बहुत आई थिंक सो स्ट्रांगली आई रिकमेंड दैट वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ. ठीक है. तो या अमृतसर इज अगेन वन कॉलेज where we can go for if you want to know Punjab. So Amritsar mein Golden Temple is there, so uska architecture is what it is, so uske accordingly we can go for. So actually I'm not only targeting Punjab, or I'm not targeting Chandigarh, I'm targeting the whole states wide over. Jitne bhi we can go for Goa mein. Goa architecture is so good, we can go for there. Goa mein kar sakte hain. and I am having a dialogue with all the colleges जितने भी मुझे known हैं और यहाँ से मुझे मिल रहे हैं, and I think so that will be very good in near future. It will take some time because I joined here on 9th only and today is 24th, so it's very less time for me right now, but still thanks to the faculties who are you know, they are totally along with me. जो मैं कह रही हूँ, they are giving me the work, so I'm also enthusiastic that yes, you are showing me the work, so I'll again take them forward. So that is it. So yeah, Chandigarh में भी होगा and other states में भी we are going to go for it.
Hello, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna, madam.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Ma'am, I am Raj from first year.
From first year?
Yes, madam.
Okay. What's your name?
I want to know, Braj.
Braj. Acha, Braj. Very nice. Okay. Yeah.
I want to know some of your works which you have done.
Yeah. Let me start with it. Actually, I have designed many McDonald's के मैंने बहुत सबसे पहले जब मैंने start किया था, that was McDonald's interiors I did a lot. Then industrial बहुत काम किया है. Then I have worked basically for the government companies, and there I have gone for the hilly areas कि जितना भी architecture schools. Kendriya Vidyalayas, I have designed 3 schools for Kendriya Vidyalaya in Kasauli, in Shimla, and 2 in Kasauli, 1 in Shimla, and 1 more, you must not be knowing that place, that is in Punjab. I have gone further that also. Hospitals I have designed, and yes, for the landscape, this is because when I was in landscape, I didn't do any practical doing that because I was in academia and totally involved into that. But yes, I have been teaching landscape. And if you want to know, this is the whole work. Industrial buildings में भी मैंने बहुत काम किया है. So this is and if you want to see my thesis, I have done master's में, it is in landscape, and yes, if you know, there is one site that is Shodh Ganga. Shodh Ganga एक site है जिसके अंदर you can see the thesis, PhD thesis. There it will be, once it is completed within 1 or 2 years, I shouldn't say 1 or 2 months. तो उसके अंदर then it will be, you know, it will be there, Shodh Ganga, that is for everyone. That is there.
वो
and also,
lock मारेला है.
Vishwas, can you please mute yourself?
Yeah, I have also done intact work in Dehradun. I had been taking the tourists, not the tourists, but the people of Chandigarh, people of Dehradun and others to different places in as heritage walks. So I was there assigned with the associated with the intact people, and that is Dehradun chapter के साथ I have worked a lot. And many of the things you want to know about Dehradun सारी जितनी हैं. And also I have written around 9 research papers. Research papers are differently on heritage, landscape, and otherwise also the students in the relationship, that is also there I'm writing. And 2 or 3 are again in the pipeline. They will be finished right now. So that is also there. Research papers bhi likhti hu. So more, to be very frank, now I am more into academics rather than I should say कि अब मैं practical, because जो practical जो काम किया है, that is totally 11 years back, and now totally I am into the academics. Academics में जो पूछना चाहते हो, I'll be there. So that's what I'm saying कि I have to learn a lot from you people. और अच्छा ये एक और चीज मुझे जैसे आपने बोला, the same thing I thought that yes, when you are into academics, आपका जो practical जो exposure होता है वो that decreases, right? So I am liking, like, let's जैसे अभी जितने भी हमारे architects आते हैं यहाँ पर as experts, they are more into, you know, practicing architects. So this is the best way how we can gel both the practicing architecture and the academia into one, and give best to you, right? So this is it. So yes, this is अब तुमने मुझे काम पूछा है तो how to show you whenever you will be here, I'll definitely show you. I can show you my PhD, I can show you my masters, I can जो पुराना work है if you want to see I can show you, but it won't be in on ये you know hard disk and all. It is all वो hand drawn drawings are there, so that are there. वो मैं दिखा दूंगी अगर कभी चाहिए होगा तो. Yes, I can guide you.
No, madam, we are excited for that.
Sure, I'll definitely show you, dear. I'll definitely show you.
Hello, ma'am. This is Jay here.
Who's this?
Jay
Jay.
from first year.
Okay.
Yeah. So, ma'am, first of all, a very warm welcome to you. We are very privileged to be under your guidance.
Thank you.
So, I just wanted to know that in rest of degrees, like in engineering or MBA, BCom, it takes 4 to 3 years to complete the degree. But in your perspective, what makes an architect a different field? What are the different opportunities which are associated with it?
See, you are in first year, right? Okay. See, architecture is such a thing that is, you know, a combination of many fields. It is not only कि आपको designing करनी है, you are associated with the services, you are associated with the structures, you are associated with the plumbing, surveying, and there are so many subjects: landscape, interior, photography, journalism. There are hundred of things that are in architecture. So these are all the things that is making architecture different, right? And if these are not inculcated in you, your exposure to different things, your exposure to different fields will not be there. तभी तो architecture different है, तभी तो उसको 5 साल का किया गया है. And there were many talks in you must be knowing NEP. This is the new that education policy of 2020 जो अभी आई है. उसके अंदर everybody was saying that yes, for architecture we should also go for the 4 years, but our council didn't agree with that. The reason was this: कि you want that your students should be there with the in practicing architecture as well. आपको 6 months की आपको उनके साथ training करनी है. 6 months की there is a dissertation कह लीजिए या thesis कह लीजिए. 1 year is gone. For 4 years, it is you are overloaded on the teachers that they have to give you so many things. आप architect say you expect not only making of the buildings, you expect any innovative thing. You expect even a small little thing to be designed in a proper manner, right? So उसके लिए now as I saw one student जिसने पीछे sketching की हुई है second year की, this is done only in architecture. किसी और में ये सब चीजें नहीं सिखाई जाती. All the competitions that you are taking care of, जितने भी competitions लेते हो, you must have seen in even the I have shared with you poetics भी है उसमें. You मतलब the architecture is such a field that it is an amalgamation of so many subjects together that makes it so innovative and so nice. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारा 5 years का है. But yes, let me tell you, the people NEP के accordingly, new NEP के accordingly, if the student feel that he is not enjoying architecture, after 3 years he can even take a break, oversee all the things, and then he can come back. Number 1. Number 2, in NEP, credit based system has started. This credit based system क्या कहता है कि you have been given credits. कोई भी कोर्स करते हो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट्स करते हो, you must have seen जब आप भी अपना सब्जेक्ट करते हो तो there are credits written there कि इतने क्रेडिट का है, 2 क्रेडिट का है, 3 क्रेडिट का है. So now what is started that 2 or 3 credits के इकट्ठा करके there is one limit they have started in NEP that once you finish that credit system you can be given the certificate, right? Certificate later you can switch over to different field as well. So this is the thinking of our Prime Minister Mr. Modi, that yes, हम लोग ये सब चीजें कर सकते हैं. It is just the innovation that he is thinking कि सब चीजें इकट्ठी हो सकती हैं. आज मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, I am an architect. I am architect only when I have completed 5 years. I have taken the COA registration number, but in credit system, you are not an architect unless 5 years is completed. But yes, you can take different क्या कहते हैं, careers along with you. मुझे इसमें शौक हुआ. Then I thought कि let's go for a photography. Photography हमारे उसमें subject है. We are teaching you photography in 5 years. But yes, if you want photography to take it forward, you can finish that thing. जब तक आपका हुआ, आप उसमें over break लगाइए थोड़ी देर. Go for the photography course of some credits, and then you can even come back, or you can take photography further. So अब ऐसा हुआ है. So but architecture कुछ ऐसा है जिसके अंदर हर चीज है. Wherever you want to go. After 5 years, you think कि मेरे पास कितना knowledge है. I can go to journalism. मैं कुछ papers लिखना चाहती हूँ. I can go into that. ठीक है. So there are so many things. See, this architecture में doctorate is very less. Why is it? इसका reason ये था कि जो architects हैं, there are so many fields. Doctorate is कि आपने एक चीज के ऊपर focus किया. There are so many things. इतना कुछ है कि आपको उसके अंदर ढूंढना is choice based हो जाता है वो. It is very difficult to choose. So that is why even the Council of Architecture has not said that doctorate is mandatory. क्योंकि आप एक चीज नहीं सीख सकते. आपके पास immense चीजें हैं that you can study in architecture. This is the reason this is making you 5 years course. ठीक है. But yes, 3 years के बाद you can get a degree of BSS, building science की degree मिल जाती है, but you will not be an architect. Major जो आपके subjects हैं, that will be there in until third year, like BC हो गया, services हो गया, structures हो गया, design हो गया. These are the basic core subjects जो आपके हो जाते हैं. But yes, जो आपके elective subjects होते हैं, that is there because they are taking you to different levels. They are taking you to different they are opening new exposures for you. That is it. This is the reason architecture is different here. और मुझे तो लगता है कि अभी 5 years तुम बोल रहे हो. In SPA, I met one HOD in DIT. He was saying 5 साल में डिग्री हो जाती है. How is it possible? कम से कम 10 साल लगने चाहिए. So, तो उनका एक अलग फिलोसफी है कि ये आर्किटेक्चर को 5 साल में आपने कैसे स्टडी कर लिया. So minimum they have said 7 years. SPA दिल्ली में आप जाइए तो it is like 7 years is minimum. कोई चक्कर ही नहीं है because they go, they take a drop, फिर आ जाते हैं, या उनको वैसे ही इतना मजा आता है they take it along, फिर से उनका वो हो जाता है. क्या कहते हो आप? सप्ली कहते थे हम लोग तो, I don't know, मतलब 1 year back and this year like that. So architecture, अगर आप ये सोचते हो कि 5 साल में कुछ सीख लोगे, it is just the basic things that you have learned. उसके बाद तो explore करना है. That is why masters है, जिसमें आप explore करो कुछ और नई चीज, new subject, and then this. But I tell you, you will enjoy 5 years. अभी first year में हो, you are in first year. अब वो actually में क्या है कि now ऐसी pandemic आ गया है कि you are not exploring anything. That is the basic thing. तो वो एक आ गया है, सब में आ गया. Even we people, for us, when we don't see the children here, we don't see the students here, तो वो ऐसा लगता है this building is nothing. एक घर को बनाना तभी possible है अगर वहाँ पर people are staying there, right? Otherwise it is a makan. So same thing, it is just a building of a college. Unless you people are here, ये college जो है इसमें there is no life into this. So totally depends upon you people. तो आप जल्दी ये कोरोना खत्म, wish करो, cross fingers, जल्दी खत्म हो and you people are here, right?
Definitely. We are excited to meet you.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you.
I am too excited, dear.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Ayushi, हाँ.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I'm from third year. Actually, ma'am, I wanted to say something regarding taking participation in competitions because hello.
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Better.
Go ahead, Ayushi. Go ahead.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Ma'am, actually, we had this earlier also discussion regarding NASA taking participation in NASA and other few competitions. But I think that maybe we lack somewhere and we didn't participate. But I want to participate, and in fact, all of us.
Yes, yes.
So
That's what
regarding
I'm saying.
something,
When I came here, I was trying to know what college is from the faculties, and I've come to know कि NASA जो है वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. And for that, I've already approached the students of mine who were there as a secretary and वो क्या क्या रहते हैं वहाँ पर. So I've already approached them. They are bringing me the things कि इस बार तो NASA नहीं हुआ, पिछली बार नहीं हुआ है. And maybe this time वो क्या सोच रहे हैं? Already they are working on it, and definitely this time, because you cannot be a member to that right now, some spectator time hota hai kuch, so you will be there for some time. But yes, on all the live competitions you can participate there. जितने भी लाइव होते हैं, that is रूबिन्स ट्रॉफी होती है, बहुत सारी ट्रॉफीज होती हैं एक्चुअली में. So that is from heritage, for landscape, for design, for BC. There are different trophies, they name it. So uske liye you won't be able to participate because right now it is not possible. But yes, for all the live things like you are saying competitions, hands-on competitions wahi hote hain. There you can participate. And yes, you people are going in the next NASA. That is for sure. Take it granted. I'll send you. Right?
Thank you.
अगर NASA होता है तो. But anyways, अभी नहीं हुआ. You are in first year. अगले साल हो जाएगा. But you will be going there in the near future. We will be the part of NASA. This is really good. NASA में जो सीखने को मिलता है. You are very right. Ayushi, what was your name?
Ayushi ma'am, from third year.
Yeah. अच्छा, you are from third year. I'm sorry. Ayushi, जो कुछ learn करने को मिलता है in NASA, that is totally different experience. You know, you are along with so many state students there, and all having different things, and that is the best platform to explore yourself. कई चीजें होती हैं, you people even don't know कि where I am good. So that is the best platform, because उसमें क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसी चीजें, ऐसे competition आ जाते हैं जिसमें हम सोचते हैं, friends are saying, oh chalte, let's take participate, and the moment you participate, you come to know that yes, we have that talent in us, we can go for it. So that is must for every college, and this is such a brilliant college. Students are there, so you will be part, that is for sure. Don't worry. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is Helen, the first year. Ma'am, what are the basic expectations from the new students, like first year or the second year?
Best thing is cooperate, have patience, because right now for you people it is very difficult. A college life kya hoti hai, you people are not experiencing that. Your seniors have experienced that, right? So this is the best way to have patience, and the maximum you can cooperate at this time. That is the major thing. Okay. Secondly, as first year students, you should know your place where you are. You should know the place in the college. You should know your seniors. You should know your faculties. So ये सब चीजों के लिए I am trying, ऐसे जैसे उसने कहा था, competitions रखे जाए या कुछ ऐसा किया जाए जिसमें आपके seniors should know you and your talent comes out. Basic thing is, how do we know you? What's your name? What you were saying?
Ma'am, Heli.
Heli. Okay. Heli, see, if I talk about Heli, I have no idea. I can just see your face and tell ki you may be good in that, you may be good in that, but I have no idea. We have to explore you. एक कच्ची मिट्टी जैसी होती है ना, that is you. We have to mold you in a proper manner. So उसके लिए अभी कुम्हार तुम्हारे पास नहीं आ सकता, ना तुम कुम्हार के पास आ सकती हो. But yes, यहाँ से जो तुम्हारे पास है उसके accordingly हम लोग little bit तुम्हें mold करना या उस मिट्टी को little bit prepare कर रहे हैं. We are just preparing that मिट्टी right now, and clay जैसे ही mature हो जाती है, and then we will mold it. So best thing is have patience dear. With the not only you, everybody around is facing the same problems. Yes, but yes, you have ample of time. सबसे अच्छा ये है तुम अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, तुम्हारे पास 4 साल और हैं. अभी तो 6 months ही हुए, 4.5 years you have. So अगर 6 months में ये खत्म भी हो जाता है तो you have ample of time. So don't worry, just have patience and जितना हो सके डियर अपने सीनियर्स के साथ आफ्टर ओरिएंटेशन ट्राई टू इंटरेक्ट, ट्राई टू डू देयर वर्क. ठीक है, उनका कुछ भी काम नहीं करते हो, जस्ट इफ ही और शी सेज कि मेरी इसमें हेल्प कर दो, तो जूनियर्स शुड नेवर से नो टू इट, राइट? क्योंकि उसी से आप सीखते हो. टीचर्स आर ओनली गाइड्स, mentors, as I've already told you. जो आपके सीनियर्स हैं, they are the perfect teachers for you, because वो हाथ पकड़ के तुम्हें सिखा देंगे, तुम्हें डांट लगा के सिखा देंगे, तुम्हें everything they can do for you. They will be there and you will also learn from them. ठीक है, एक कॉलेज को अगर ग्रो करना है तो I tell you, it is not how many years old it is the seniors who have such a good experience, who have learned from their seniors, उनसे learning करते करते it has come to you. So it's the best way कि मैं किस तरह इस चीजों को, it is again in your hands how you take it. ठीक है, उनसे कैसे निकलवाना है. कभी भी you approach to your seniors, yes tell me what work I can do. ठीक है, तो वो यहाँ पर तो ऐसा होता था कि collectively you people are sitting and then doing, तो वो एक अलग चीज हो जाती है. आई नो दैट, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड डियर, बट यस जो कर सकते हैं वो तो करें. ओरिएंटेशन के बाद सीनियर्स ऑल आर देयर, इनको काम दो भाई, सो दैट दे अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काम इज. ठीक है, एंड यस वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ. मैं ये सोच रही थी कि कुछ ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स हम लोग करें कि आई हैव समथिंग इन माइंड द मोमेंट यू हैव टोल्ड. मैं कुछ करती हूँ, कुछ ऐसा कुछ हम लोग इंटरेक्टिव करते हैं कि सीनियर्स एंड द जूनियर्स, ताकि वो तुम लोगों को उस समय लेट्स गो फॉर अ बेस्ट मेंटरशिप देखते हैं. कुछ ऐसा होता है जिसमें ग्रुप्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एंगेज विद वन मेंटर एंड देन वी प्लान समथिंग. वी विल गो फॉर इट.
थैंक यू मैम.
फाइन, ओके.
Ma'am, some of the students have their classes starting at 11:30, which is
Fine.
semester
It's almost 11. It's already 11:30.
Yeah, so
thank you so much. Yeah, we'll be ending it, and thank you so much for such an interactive session, Shweta, you have planned for. It's such a nice thing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, personally, I mean,
this was long awaited.
Yeah, I know, I can understand. I tried my level best कि मैं आप लोगों को convince कर सकूं इस समय, but see, unless and until हम लोग face to face होंगे, more things will be explored and more things will come true. ठीक है? And I invite.
I just want to say
yes.
something.
Yeah.
So I'm Rushabh from 4th year.
Yes.
So we were missing out on this thing from so long, as you know, and when this college started, we had the principal who was also from Punjab. So we really like the energy you brought in our college. Right now we so much needed this at this point of time. So just thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Punjabis जो होते हैं, they are more like Gujaratis. ऐश करना, enjoy करना और आगे चलते रहना. ठीक है? तो we'll have a good gala time here and with studies, of course.
Yes.
Academics के लिए मैंने teachers को invite कर दिया है और सब चीजों के लिए I am there. So सब enjoy करेंगे with the teamwork. That is why I told you that story here. ठीक है? Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone.
We are excited to. Yeah, we are very excited.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. And do come on 27th. A poster will be shared with you. A link will be shared with you. And do come with the good questions. ठीक है? मैंने बहुत praise की है साल की वहाँ पर. So I want that that should be there. ठीक है? Please. Okay. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you for being there. Bye-bye.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.